Hi guys, this is Cinema Stanley here. So we will in this session we will try to create this 3D casting, a 3D model in the Creo software. This is a casting part. So we can see that this part is something mirror on this axis. If we consider there is an axis on this section A line that is over here, so we can see that the half part is mirror on the both sides. So what we can do, we can create this half section of the part in the software and we'll mirror it. Okay, so first we'll try to create this base part here. So we can see that we have 4 holes which is of diameter 10 mm and the distance is 120 mm and 100 mm of the holes. So what we'll do, we'll go for this sketch, select a plane. So this plane I will select, sketch, so go normal. Then we'll create one construction rectangle here, so that has a dimensions of uh, this dimension is 100 mm and sorry, it is 120 mm and this dimension is 100 mm. Fine. So it contains 4 hole here, so I'll make a hole here which has a diameter of 10 mm and also we can see that it contains also one arc which has a radius of 40 mm. So we'll make a circle here, so the diameter will be 100 mm and the center distance from of this hole from this axis is 40 mm. Okay, so it is 80 mm, so half will be 40 mm. So next what I will do, I'll also create one this radius, it is mentioned here. So this is a 10 mm radius, so go for this circle and make this as a radius of 10 mm means 20 mm diameter. So now what I will do, I will join this line, make it as a tangent line on both the circle. So I'll take a relationship here, that is the tangent relationship, this tangent relationship, this circle to this circle, and tangent relationship for this circle to this circle. So what I will do, I'll just create another line here, so which goes and get connected over here. So now I will trim the unwanted lines which I don't want. I don't want this line is not needed, this line is not needed, even though this line, and here this line is not required. So the unwanted lines which I don't want, I'll just remove that line. Okay, so yeah, fine. So we can see that we have reached from here, this point to this point. So what I will do, I will just I'll just select this line and make it as a uh, control, just press control and select the lines. Okay, so we'll do mirror here. Okay, fine. So sorry, I've not selected the circle. So control this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line, this circle. So mirror command, select the axis. Yeah, we can see that the half portion is already mirrored here, so we will close this sketch here. So you can see the color of the sketch is changed to pink color, so this shows that our sketch is completely closed. So press OK. Now we will go for the extrude command. So we will extrude this, the height of the flange is 10 mm. So what I will do, I will go for 10 mm, press OK. Sorry guys. So you can see that the base of the base section of the part is ready. So now what we will do, we will create this section. Okay, so the diameter, the radius of this section is 40 on the both side. Okay, so go for this sketch, so this sketch and make it normal. So here we'll make the dimension. So diameter is 40, means 80 will be the diameter, and similarly the distance from the center will be 40 here we can see that it is 40 the center from here and here it is 40 symmetric, 80 symmetric. So just select this circle, go for mirror and make another circle. Now join these two line, okay, and also join this line. So now trim the unwanted lines which we don't want. We don't want this line, this line, this line and this line. You can see that the sketch is enclosed, and we can now extrude this part. Just go for extrude, and the height of the extrusion is 40 correct. So 40 will be my extrude okay. So fine, now we have up to this portion. Now we have to create this boss and this section. Okay, well, now we'll create this boss. So go for this sketch command, just select on this and make it normal. Okay, so the diameter mentioned in the drawing is it is here, it is mentioned it is 40 so the diameter mentioned is 40 make 40 and the center distance is 40 right here. The distance, center distance is 40 so I need to make it half circle. Just go here and make it as a half circle, because we are creating a part half part and we'll mirror it afterwards. So we can see that the half circle is done and we can extrude it. So okay, and go for the extrude command. So the height mentioned here is 20 and in plus 10, because this will be the total height. So it is 30 so 30 will be my height. Okay, fine. So this part is also done. Now we'll create this section, this lengthier section. So the same we can go for the sketch command. Just select sketch, this face, sketch, okay. So now we have to create a circle here. So the diameter of the circle is 40 and the center distance is also 40 from the axis. So make it okay and go for the what the half circle we will create the hole inside the circle we will create later on, guys. So I need to edit it. So close this line and half circle is created and trim this line. So okay, so we can see that the height we have to mention here, right? So height is 45 plus 10 plus 5, so which is equal to 60 so just go on this, edit. So height will be 60 okay, fine. So we can see that we have reached up to here in up to this section. So now what we will do, we'll create this half section, okay, which contains hole and all. So go for sketch, select this face, for normal. So it has a rectangle at this center. So rectangle is here, and the what we say, the length is 75 and width is 87. So this will be my length, which is 75 and width will be that is the width will be half of that. Width will be half of that. So this is 75 sorry, rectangle. So this is 75 okay, and the half section will be 80, it is 87. So half will be 87.2, half will be 87 divided by 2, sorry. So this will be my half section. So let us check whether the dimensions are right. So yes, it feels correct only. So here it is 75 and here it is 87.5. okay, fine. So we'll close this what we say, the no, it will be not half here, it will be 87 only. 87. Yes, now it is correct. So we'll close the line here, close and trim the unwanted lines which we don't want. So go for finish, and we have to make extrude in such a way that go for options and go for variables, make it as a 10 mm. So this will be variable, so this will be 20 mm, so this will be minus 5 mm. So the extrusion in such a way that this should go below, this should go another below, this should go here. So from face it is a 5 mm, so this is 10 mm, correct? 10 mm, no, from it, from the upper face it is 15 mm. Okay, so we have created the thing. Now we have to go for the radius. So radius, it is mentioned here is it is 12.50 here, 12.50. so here also it will be 12.50. okay, so now we have to create a holes in that. Just go for sketch and make it normal, make 2 circles. So here one circle of diameter 10 mm, 10 mm, and here is also one circle which has a diameter of 10 mm. Both are 10 mm. Just make it exit and make it extrusion, material removal. So it will be something 15 mm. So make it as a reverse here. Okay, fine. So we can see that the half section of the part is ready now. Now what we'll do, we'll put the radius mentioned here, so we'll go for round. So the radius is 5 mm. So what I will do, I'll make radius 5 mm. This will be 5 mm, this will be 5 mm, this will be 5 mm, 5 mm, 5 mm, and here also radius will be 5 mm. Okay, so now here is also one radius is mentioned, so which is, it is 2.5 mm. Sorry, yeah, so this radius will be 2.5 mm. Yeah, okay. So there is also one part left, this one. Okay, so we can see the center distance is 40 and the height is 25. So we'll go for sketch, select this face and make it normal. So we'll make a circle here, so which has a diameter of 20 mm, 20 mm diameter. Okay, so the extrusion will be 30 mm. Okay, so make it another sketch on this face, and the diameter will be 24 mm. So 24 mm, here you can see it is 24 and 20 mm. So okay, now make it extrusion in reverse direction, so it is 15 mm. 15 mm. Okay, so next there is a through hole in this, so make go on sketch, and the hole diameter is around 10 mm. So make a circle at the center of this part which has a diameter of 10 mm, and okay, so we have to remove the material, so go for extrude, remove the material and make it as up to next. Okay, we can see the hole is made here. Okay, so now we have to check whether radius are fine. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just select all this part hold shift, select all this part and make it as a group. So select this group, go for the mirror command and select this plane. So we can see that our complete, we'll get a complete part here. And yeah, so we can see that our almost part is up to be done. So we need this cavity part here. So what I will do, I will go for sketch, select this face and go for normal. So now what I will do, I will project the curve here. Okay, so with this curve here, so this curve I want, I'll make a offset of 10 mm in this curve for the removal of material. So make it as offset, so it is 10 mm, offset is minus 10 mm, offset, so it is 10 mm, sorry, so offset it is minus 10 mm. Okay, fine. So close. Now I don't want this line, so what I will do, just control select, I'll delete this line. Okay, so now go for the material removal command, which is extrude, and the depth from this face to this up to here, this face, it is 10 plus minus 10. This is 10 mm, so 40 minus 10 will be 30, so plus 10, 40, so 40 will be my material removal. So 40 mm reverse direction material removal. Okay, so we can see the material is removed here, and the left is we have to create one hole here. So go for sketch, select this face. Okay, go for normal and create a circle here which has a diameter of 20 mm. Okay, so the diameter is 20 mm. So okay, now make extrusion and material removal and make it as a up to next. So we can see the hole is also done, and left behind is this hole. So make as a sketch, select this plane. Okay, so we'll make a hole here which has a diameter of 20 mm. So it's 20 mm. Okay, fine. So the depth is from this face to here, that is 20 plus 10, 30 mm. So we'll go for the extrude, and 30 mm will make it as a material remover. Okay, so I think we have almost completed our part. So we'll check whether the part is completed. We'll make a section planar. So I want the section on this plane, so make this as a shaded line, and the view will be my front view, sorry, back view, front view. So we'll check whether our part is fine. So we can see that we also have a hole here, and this everything is covered, I think. Yeah, so the part is covered here. Okay, so I'll just remove the section part here, section planar. Okay, section planar. Okay, so the part is created, guys. If please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.